Okay, so let's move on to part 2 with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to transfer one of these with one of those, just to see if I can get some response, just some response before I figure out how to reprogram this. There's got to be a way. Okay, so, yeah. Oh shit, where did I put the original? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the hell did I do with it? Hang on. Okay, well, no big deal. I'll find it here in a second. But I did take one of those, right? And I did put it on. And that was, I chose that one because the board it came off of was like completely destroyed. And I figured that one had the best shot at working, right? So, with it up and running, hang on here. You'll see, and yes, we still have that bad video, and I think I understand why. I think I understand why that's an issue, is because of the low 5 volts coming out of here. It's barely enough to get this to run. I may make some traces, some edge connecting traces here on the end to get 5 volts and 12 from a power supply, not one of these. But anyways, the point is, oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. So, I don't know how can I exit? Whoa, what the hell? Isn't that wild? Check this out. It actually, when I hit the test, it actually goes like clear. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah. Oh, that power supply just gave out on me. It's drawing too much from it. But you see that it's freaking working. So give me a second here. Let me get this all straightened out again, and then we'll see if we can start a game and actually use the trackball to work. Okay, so let's do this again, just so I can show you here, right from first boot to into test. Actually, I'm not even going to go into test. I'm just going to start a game here. We are going to have to figure out this issue, though, here, for sure. Again, I did spoof a lot of stuff, like the board serial number and the version. And well, actually, the version actually matches, believe it or not, but the hardware revision, sorry. But, all right, so let's just see. Like, do we have... Yes, we do.
Welcome to
yes, we do.
Hi, I'm Pat Summerall, and with me is Peter Jacobson.
But why don't we have...
Hi, everybody.
We did have it. You've seen it. Do I not have enough money in? We did have it. The hell? Test. Now we don't have it. Is that me screwing this up here or something? Give me a second here. Jeez. No. We still do. No, we absolutely do have. We have everything. We have everything here, excuse me. Why don't we have it in game? There must be some pull-up resistors or some... Let me get you sat down here while I can control this crap here. There must be something stopping. Let me turn that. Sorry, there must be something... Oh, shit, that power supply just gave up on me again. Give me a second here. There must be something stopping the inputs via in-game. There must be maybe some resistors or capacitors that are not liking it. So, again, give me a second here. Let me get this figured out. I should try to boot it up with the other power supply, but I know it's going to be low voltage. So give me a second here. Yeah, and see, just to show you, the other power supply here, it gives me low voltage. I don't know why. You would assume, I mean, that she can put some steady voltage out, but apparently not. Grr. Let me check the voltage where it's at right now. Give me a second. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to figure out this power issue now. I'm assuming the 12 volt, don't make an ass out of yourself by assuming, but I'm guessing that the 12 volt, right, is only for the audio amp and the audio section under the video card here, whereas the rest, the ground plane, the 5 volt, -5, which is not used, and the 12 here. The 12 is supposed to run through a via that's not even on this board. I'm going to see if I can't look at the other board, right, and figure out where, well, I can see where the ground goes. You can see the cut in the board. Well, I don't say cut, but just here on the board, right here, sorry, right here, where it separates the two grounds, right, the two grounds from the 5-volt. I might just try to go and make something from here, from the harness, right, to these inductors here for the 5-volt. Leave the 12 volt out, and then for the 5-volt, or ground, sorry, scrape some of this away and go from the ground to this ground plane here. Let me see if I can't figure this out. Just to show you what I'm talking about is right here. You can see where the ground plane, that's a little different too. That's actually marked out as, oh no, it's marked out there too. Sorry, let me grab my pointer again, maybe back you out a little bit. I'm probably making you dizzy as hell. I'm sorry. It's only because you know me, I'm all over the place when I'm doing this, because I do it all in front of you so you know what's going on. You see -5 isn't connected, but 12 volt goes to a via, right, which isn't there on the board, right? So I can probably figure that out later. I'm not worried about it. But to get the proper 5 to this plane here, right, you can see it's across all three of these inductors here, which are probably more like ferrite beads, I'm guessing. Right, you can see where the ground plane is cut. I might just try to make something really simple just to get these 4 5-volt ground and ground up and running. Oh, and I am going to have to make sure that they are through. Again, we can see where the ground planes are here. Through these caps. It's no doubt, because I can see where that inductor is through this cap here. This one probably is too. It goes somewhere there. And then, yeah, the 12 volt comes through that via here and goes to wherever the fuck that is. But whatever. Let me see if I can figure this out. Look at this, buddy. I'm taking a non-JAMA power and I'm actually making my own. Okay, so what I decided to do was actually take a scrap board, right, and slowly peel away, the edge connectors, copper pads, right, and actually make. So you got ground, 5-volt. I didn't do anything to the other side except for, maybe I should show you. Let me back that up for you. I can't wait to test this and see what the hell's going on here. I'd like to see if the video clears up too. Give me a second here. Let me get that light out of the way and let me get this set up for you here. I want to be careful doing this because so let me show you what I did to the other side first. So for the 12 volt, as you can see, that's what I've done. I actually peeled that entire trace up on another board, right? You can see that I actually peeled up, that trace, and actually laid the original trace down over top of where it is. Let me see if I can get you an even better view of that so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'll show you both boards here and what I've done. Yeah, this will work. So you can see on the old board here, what I did was I legitimately pulled that trace up all the way across and all the way across. You can see where it used to say C501 or whatever here. And you can see, yeah, I literally pasted that right on top and across. Now there is a trace that runs from here to this cap, which it might not be really easy to spot, but there is. It's right there. I find it's not necessary. I probably will put it, but going from this inductor, right, it does go back to this pad here. So we're okay. So that's literally what I've done. You can see the other pads through the other side and what I've done. I can finish putting 5, and I don't have to put the -5 one. I can put the 12 where the 12, I'm backwards here. Ground, and then 5 and 5. I don't need the -5. But again, this is just proof of concept if this is even freaking possible. I mean, well, we know it runs. We just don't know if that video issue is going to clear up, or, you know, if it's even... if the trackball is even going to work. Even though I changed out U510, I'd still like to be able to not do that and program them, at least have that program on my PC and be able to program these via the JTAG that's on here, right? So let's just see if after doing this, if this even works. Okay, give me 2 seconds here. Let me make sure everything's set up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got the trackball set up. Everything's set up. Let's see what happens here. Good so far. Look at that. Nice clear video. It was definitely a voltage issue. Absolutely a voltage issue. So let's see if it boots and gets into anything, and then we'll get into test, see what happens, blah, blah, blah. Let's make sure it gets past this point here. The loading looks good. Let's see if it continues to load. Yes. I bet you this loads. Okay, let's see if we have proper trackball. We still might not have proper trackball because we are still missing these here. Shit. Now all of a sudden I'm missing everything. Huh. What the hell's that all about? Give me a second here. Okay, well, actually, that was just my connector that was making it bad. Let's, as you can see... Oh, shit. Start. I should have... Oh, yes! Let's just make sure everything's okay here. Okay, yep, I don't care.
We're here at Mystic Hills on a beautiful sunny afternoon.
Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Yep, we got our... Let me auto this out again so you guys can see. Yep, we got... Yep. Oh, beautiful. Unbelievable. So, yeah. I have successfully converted this board to a Golden Tee. 2006 complete. I am in shock. It is absolutely 100% possible. Now, the good thing would be to be able to, like I said, JTAG this and, you know, rip the file off of this and be able to program the one I was talking about earlier. There's, you can tell that one says gun. That is the one I pulled off. If you can even see that. Well, I don't even know if it's legible anymore. I'm sure it is. Or not. But that is gun. Absolutely. So that is, you know, that's the one I pulled off. Right there. And that's the one I put on. Wherever the hell I am here. Right there. And sure enough, we are good to go. Okay, back up here. So yeah, okay. I guess this will be the end of this video. The end of the proof of concept. Beautiful. Unbelievable. So yeah, and actually I didn't even need those. I did not need those. It's this side that give that. I don't know why they're populated on this side of the board since this is not a Golden Tee, but I guess for the gun it's not necessary. So yeah, there we go. That's done. So you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Oops. Oh.
He's got it on the short grass. Call for one, trying for double bogey. Call for one to putt.
Oh.
Call for one to putt.
Nobody ever said I was any good at these. There we go.